So I thought I would send Mother Nature a message on behalf of all of us suffering from allergies. So this one's to you, Mom. Can you please stop? I didn't know I was going to wake up and find myself on the set of a nature porn. Does a tree need to come this much? I mean, just skeet, skeet, skeet. I don't even need glasses. They'd just get dirty anyways. I'd have to wash them off, you know? You know, you ever get a little bit in your mouth, you're like, no, no. Oh God, it's in my eye, it's in my eye, it's in my eye. You know what I mean, girls? Why did I agree to this? Oh my God. Why do guys like it? Why do you want to do that to my face? Yeah. Yeah. Why? Why? Why do you like coming in our faces so much, Mother Earth? Mother Earth is like, she's like, fap attack, fap attack, fap, 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 fap. Mother Earth is fucking flicking that bean. She is flicking that bean, and it is vibrating with the resonance of life. Everybody is either thinking about fucking, or planning on fucking. But Mother Nature, she's always fucking around.